Welcome to my YouTube channel Saqib Tech. I hope all of you are doing great. So in our previous lectures we have covered one of the data structure named as list. So I hope list is clear to you as we have done it in details with different examples. And still, if you have any issue, if you have any problem, please comment and let me know. So today what we are going to cover is named as Python dictionary. So this is one of the most important as well as very interesting data structure that is most widely used. So first of all, why we use dictionaries? What is the main motivation to use dictionaries when we have set? Because when we have lists, okay, when we have lists and sets, then why we are using dictionaries? Because it's also a data structure to store values. But let's look at this example. Here you can see that we are going to store capital and their countries using lists. Okay, you can say I have created a list of country with different countries. Okay, and similarly on same index I have capital like France have capital Paris and Germany has Berlin and so on. Okay, so if I want to print the capital of Germany, what I will do, I need to first get the index of Germany. I need to know what is the index of Germany. First step is to know the index of Germany, then I need to print that capital. Okay, that's a lengthy process because the first step is used to find where Germany is lying, and then in capitals listed, then we need to print that capital. So that is some hectic or more line consuming code. You can see that. Okay, index we got index and then we printed using capital of index. Okay, but what if I create like this? Okay, this is a basically syntax to create dictionaries. Okay, this is a dictionary, it is created inside curly braces. Okay, but with another thing, in list we need to write only one value then write comma. Okay, but in list we have key value pair, means key is a span colon is used to tell that on my left side is a key and on my right side is a value. For example, here span colon Madrid. So Spain is a key and Madrid is a value. Then I need to separate it using comma. Then I write France. France is a key and Paris is a value. So if I want to know the capital of Germany, what I will write? I will simply write country capitals of, and inside that braces I will write simply Germany. Now you can see how easy it is. So let's look what is a dictionary. Basically, it is an unordered collection of items. For your paper point of view or for your knowledge, you must know that this value, there is no particular order in a dictionary. Okay, this is unordered collection of items. While other compound data types have only one value as an element, dictionary has key value pair that you have looked in that example that it has two values, key colon value. Okay, that's a key value pairs. Okay, so unlike list, it has two values like key colon value. So dictionary are optimized to retrieve values when the key is known. Okay, on other data types, the what are the keys are index. Okay, when you want to access the value of list, you write list of 1, list of 2 or anything. But in dictionaries we can't do slashing like that. We need to write key inside a dictionary to print that value. So what is the difference between list versus dictionary? Why we are using dictionary and not using list, and at some time we are using list and not using dictionary? The first you need to know that select, update and remove that are not a main issue, they are almost same. But the main important thing is that lists are indexed by range of numbers, or means we need to access the value of list by putting numbers are indexed between that. Okay, for example, I want to access second student, I write student of 2. Okay, so but in dictionary it is indexed by unique keys. Unique keys mean that we can't have more than one key, okay, with same name. Okay, this is the first difference. And what is the second difference? Collection of values order matter, select entire subsets. Okay, in list we can select a subset by using indexing or slicing, but here dictionary is a lookup table with unique keys. We don't need to access with a entire subset, but we need to access a single value because it has a unique keys. Okay, so the question is how to create a dictionary. The answer is really very simple. As I told earlier in the example, I need to write simply the curly braces, and inside that braces I need to write key value pair. Like here you can see, if I want to store the marks of three subjects, what I will write marks is equal to, I write curly braces, then I write maths colon 45, science colon 23, and here key must be of same data type, but the values can be anything. Okay, here the maths is a string, then value 45, then science and everything. Okay, so there is a no restriction on data type on dictionary. You can also use 1 colon 2 colon for anything. Okay, you can do anything, but remember on the left side will be the key and on the right side will be the value. So using key value pair you can print an entire dictionary. So how to access element from a dictionary? This is another important question that may be coming to your mind. So this answer is also really very simple. This is a very simple. For example, if I have this marks dictionary, I have marks of 4 subject, and if I want to know the marks of math, simply I will write print marks, and inside index I will write maths. For example, first method, look, there are two methods. On the left side there is a first method, write marks of science, and another method is using get method. Okay, the get method and slashing method, there are two methods to access values from a dictionary. So if I am writing marks of science, it will print 23, but if I am writing marks of, for example, Hindi, you can see there is a no key named as Hindi, it will give us value error when I write like that. But if I am using get method, it will not give me key error, but it will be printing none. You can see the difference between get and the simple way of accessing the element from a dictionary. So next important question is how to change or add elements in a dictionary. Now we have seen that how to create a dictionary. We are simply creating a dictionary by curly braces and putting key value pairs like you can see in examples. Okay, so the next important question is that how to add the elements. So adding elements is also very simpler. You need to simply, for example, you have created a student detail list with the name and course. Now you want to update the course. Okay, so if you are writing student details of course is equal to data science, so before it was Python, now it will become data science because we can't add course two times. So if you are writing again course, it will be editing that. Okay, or you can say it will not duplicate. Okay, it will change that value. So if I'm writing marks, then it will add new element marks equal to 45. Now this student have 4 values, name, course and the marks. Okay, if I will printing this, this will be displaying the name is equal to Skandar, course is equal to updated course data science, and mark will be 45. So another thing is how to delete. After deleting also contain two of the concepts. One is using pop method, another is using clear method. Okay, and another one is using del method. Okay, but how to access that element using pop? We can remove a particular element in a dictionary by using the pop method. What this method do? This method removes an atom with the provided key and returns the value. If I am writing student details dot pop of course, it will get the value of course and it will display, and then the value will also be removed from the dictionary. Okay, so if I'm writing dot pop will, first of all it will get value, and also it will remove that value from the dictionary. You can see in the output, first it has all the values, but when we have pop course, you can see that course is removed from the dictionary. And the other method is a clear. What clear method? Clear method is a simpler method to clear all the items from the dictionary. I repeat, all the items from the dictionary. If I am writing student details dot clear, it will remove all the data from dictionary and dictionary will become empty. You can see if I'm writing student data dot clear, then I am printing. You can see first it have all the details, then it has nothing. So deleting elements from dictionary also contain another method known as del. This is a simple method. For example, I want to delete, for example, this is a key 1 column 1 2 column 4. You can now 1 is a key, 1 is a value, 2 is a key, 4 is a value. Similarly, 3 is a key, 9 is a value. Simply you can see that on the key is a number, and the value is its square. Okay, on the value is a square of that number. So that's why this is a dictionary of square. So if I want to delete an atom, I'm asking user to enter an item or enter a key, then based on that key I can delete a particular value. How? This is also simple. I will write del. After del I am writing the name of dictionary, and between that bracket I will writing the key to delete. And you can see after we have deleted, you can see that 4 is removed from the dictionary. Oh yeah, to delete a random item. The random item deletion method is a pop item method. Pop item method can be used to remove and return an arbitrary item from the dictionary. And it will raise key error if dictionary has nothing, or if a dictionary is empty. For example, I have a dictionary named one squares. If I am writing pop item, it is going to remove a last element. This time it has removed a last element 5 from the list. You can see the list is 1 2 3 and 4. So this there we have seen almost 4 elements. Okay, pop, then we simple, using clear, using del, and fourth one is using pop item. So clear method and dash statement is also, I think, clear to you. You can see that using clear, all the dictionary is completely deleted. And what if I'm writing del courses? Using del courses, the dictionary is removed. If I'm writing simply del courses, okay, and I'm not giving any key, okay, if I'm not giving any key, then the whole dictionary will be removed from the memory. The difference between del and clear is another difference, that clear will remove all the items from the dictionary, but del will remove complete dictionary from the memory. So yeah, membership test, this is the most important. If I want to check that if a element is present in the dictionary like we do in the list, this is the same in the dictionary. What I will write, if I want to check that if 1 is presented in the square, I will write 1 in square. Simply 1 in square, it will print true or false. For example, 1 is present in the square, it will print true. If I'm writing 2 not in square, you know 2 is present in for example, dictionary, but here 2 is not present, it will also print the true. If I'm writing 49 in square, you can see 49 is present in square, but the in method is comparing with square keys. Okay, keys, we are matching this on the base of keys. So key is the same one, value is 49, so 49 is not present in the dictionary named as squares.